I sound real like fabric man, you see it? I sound real like fabric man. Why in that? Bomber class, say something for the cameraman. I put it on YouTube. Yeah, music thing.
Yeah, so are
you
you?
Don't know? You don't know Indian? Rastafari. I learn Canadian up here. Rasta. Yo, I'm a breaking this now. Right in Bricktown City, yeah? We're not a pity here. We run the thing the runway.
You send it a yard?
Listen man, run.
Later.
Up there. Nah. I love it. When we walk out through Bricktown, Glamour Blacks. Be a thing. I'm not afraid of nobody. Yeah. What security on the road? Yes. But oh nah. Not anything. The people in that place, Rastafari.
Hey, Rasta.
Hey, gang classy. Hey. Yo, big on yourself. Thank you. YouTube. Yeah, run way. Yo, you see Bricktown? I said we love Bricktown, you know. We love Bricktown. Anywhere we go. We'll talk about the thing, you know. Real thing, you know. Yeah. I mean, move from Bomber Class Road in the dark. And I'm going to tell me there. Glamour Black. Cheers. Yeah. In our place. Community. Yeah. Nah. You come from the show, you know. You see me? Taking beer, music and beer thing, you know. That's the life of one bar road. Nah.
Yes, uncle.
Selassie, yeah. Nah. Yes. Rastafari. You see the mad. Mad in that place, you know, my youth. I saw we run the place, you know. Yeah, man. I saw we run the place, man. Rastafari. International. What the point, you know? When I look nobody, you know. When I look no friend, you know. Yeah. When I look no friend, dog.